Hey everyone, are you feeling sluggish, stressed, or just not your best self? Today, I'm here to share some incredible tips on how you can balance your hormones fast with iron-rich foods. Let's dive right in. First up, we have spinach. Spinach is a powerhouse of iron and magnesium. These nutrients are vital for boosting your energy levels and supporting testosterone production. So, toss some fresh spinach into your salads or smoothies for a quick nutrient boost. Next, let's talk about kale. Kale is not only rich in iron, but also packed with vitamins A, C, and K. These vitamins play a crucial role in supporting your immune function and hormone balance. Sauté it, blend it, or bake it into chips, however you like it. Don't forget about Swiss chard. This leafy green is loaded with magnesium, potassium, and iron. It's a nutritious choice that can make a big difference in your diet. Add it to your soups or stir-fries for a delicious and healthy meal. Brussels sprouts are next on our list. These little veggies are high in fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants. They help in maintaining hormone balance and promoting overall health. Roast them with a drizzle of olive oil and a sprinkle of salt for a tasty side dish. Now let's talk about a non-vegetarian option, tuna. Tuna is a fantastic source of heme iron, which is more easily absorbed by our bodies. Enjoy it as a steak or mix it into a fresh salad to reap the benefits. For all the plant-based eaters, tofu is an excellent choice. It's rich in iron and can be paired with vitamin C-rich foods to enhance iron absorption. Try a tofu stir-fry with bell peppers and tomatoes. It's delicious and nutritious. Broccoli is another superstar in the iron-rich foods category. It contains vitamin C, which helps increase the absorption of non-heme iron. Steam it, stir-fry it, or simply snack on it. Raw broccoli is versatile and super healthy. Speaking of healthy fats, avocados are a must. They provide essential fats that are crucial for hormone production and blood sugar balance. Spread avocado on toast or blend it into a creamy smoothie. Your body will thank you. Salmon is also fantastic for hormone health. It's a great source of omega-3 fatty acids, which support hormone health and reduce inflammation. Grill it, bake it, or pan-sear it. Salmon is delicious any way you prepare it. Lastly, let's not forget about berries. These little fruits are high in antioxidants and vitamins, which are beneficial for overall health and hormone balance. Add them to your morning yogurt, cereal, or just enjoy them as a snack. Including these foods in your meals and snacks can help balance your hormones and improve iron absorption. Remember to pair your iron-rich foods with vitamin C-rich options like citrus fruits, peppers, tomatoes, and broccoli to further enhance absorption. Thank you for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health and wellness content. Stay healthy and balanced, everyone.